quality, customer satisfaction, teamwork, technology, energy. Was established in 2014 in Tekirdağ, Turkey. With an 11,000 square meter enclosed facility and a workforce of 256 employees, it has a production capacity of 580,000 units per month and 7 million units per year. The company has set its vision to become the country's leading seamless activewear manufacturer by 2025. Kyass Tekstil holds SEDEX, BSCI, SA8000, REP, and Oikotech certifications. With its in-house R&D development, it carries on various projects to distinguish itself in the sector and implement technological innovations, continuously evolving day by day. Prioritizing customer satisfaction, Kyass Tekstil works tirelessly to achieve the impossible and selects the most skilled professionals in the field to produce the highest quality products. Kyass Tekstil has established Turkey's only fully automated dyeing facility and equipped it with eco-friendly technologies. With the increase of energy requirements, it has reduced energy costs through its solar energy system and accelerated green transformation processes. With these steps towards green transformation and reducing its carbon footprint, Kyass Tekstil meets approximately 44% of its factory's energy consumption requirements with the solar power plant it has established, aiming for an environmentally friendly, sustainable, and cost-effective energy solution. Kyass Tekstil's high-capacity weaving line includes 68 single jersey jacquard weaving machines of the SM8 Top 2V brand, ranging from 13 inches to 19 inches. In the dyeing process, there are 12 dyeing machines, 8 sample dyeing machines, and 6 drying machines, enabling a daily capacity of 3,500 kilograms in a single shift. In the garment section, with 109 machines, the capacity can reach up to 15,000 units per day. With this entire machine park, it has annual production capacity of 4,500,000 leggings, shorts, and similar products, as well as 2,500,000 bras, crop tops, and jackets. Completed products undergo Kyass Tekstil's superior sewing and packaging processes, enhancing the physical comfort of the end user by utilizing antibacterial, anti-static, water repellent, moisture absorbing, quick drying, and a variety of synthetic and natural fibers, along with different surface textures. Since 2014, Kyass Tekstil has continued to provide uninterrupted service to well-known brands in Europe and America. With a fleet of 16 vehicles, Kyass Tekstil ensures safe and fast delivery to its stakeholders worldwide through its logistics processes. With a 98% share of foreign trade volume, Kyass Tekstil continues to increase its contribution to the country's market scale in foreign currency and maintains its position ahead of competitors in the market. With its strength and potential, Kyass Tekstil will continue to achieve great successes and build a stronger future alongside its stakeholders from all over the world.